Good morning, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be using the Siennas Profusion palette. I told you guys I love Profusion. I love their shadows. They are a hit and miss, but for the most part they do have some good shadows and formula for the price point that you're paying. So we're going to use only two shades today. And it's going to be more on the matte side. We're not going to do shimmers today, we're going to do mattes. So we're going to start out with, well, you know what, I'm not going to say that. It depends on what I start doing with it. So let's just roll with it. How about that? But it's definitely going to be two shades. So I feel like I want to go in with, we're going to start with this. Let's stick with this shade here on the end. It's more of a burnt orange type shade. I'm just going to take this Real Techniques, I don't know what this thing say. The wording is gone on it. But it's a little flat shader brush. And I'm just going to pack it on the brush. And my eyes are primed today with my Revolution Pro Coverage Concealer. So it'll hold this shadow. And this is the in the shade number C5. In case anyone wants to know what base I'm using today. It does not have a mirror, and that's okay. But like I said, and it does have kickback, so that's not a problem to me. I'm just going to stamp it all over my lid. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. Okay, that's much better. Take a little bit more and pack it again. I'm just going out just a little bit. And do the same thing for the other eye. Just pack this matte shade all over your lid. And just packing some more. And since I'm running a little bit behind this morning, this is why I'm not doing a very, very detailed look. It's kind of like if you still want to be glammed and hop out the door, this is like a go-to. Just two shades. And sometimes you can use one. But this is a way if you don't want to do a whole lot of detail. That's going to take you about 10 minutes to do. Then this is an alternate for it. If you still want to wear eyeshadow on your lid. And since eyeshadows are my weakness, I feel like if I don't do it, then I feel like my makeup is not done right. Maybe I'll get it out the while, but right now, I don't see it happening. I'm just packing again. Just to make sure I get that deep depth and color that I want on my lid. So next, I'm going to go in with my Glam Light fluffy, like a little fluffy brush. Sorry, I'm going to blend out these edges. And I'm doing it in circular motions. And really light circular motions at that. With that little piece of hair on there. Okay. And then do the other eye. So it's coming together pretty good. Okay, so we're just going to blend a little more. Just to kind of diffuse that your crease area with this same shade. But you're not moving the shade around that's on your lid. It's only what kind of, the shade that kind of got into your crease area. Just blending it out. That's pretty. I'm going to take that same shade back on this brush and kind of go around my crease area again. So I can build it up just a little bit since I have it already blended out. I'm going those circular motions again, because I want the color to go up just a little bit, but not as deep as the lid shade. Doing the same thing for the other eye. And when you're using Profusion shadows, you want to make sure you definitely have an eyeshadow base or concealer so the shadows can stick. And this is a great everyday palette by Profusion. Okay, so I think that should do it. I like it. Okay, so now we're going to go in with my Morphe 535 brush. Trying to find my towel so I can wipe it off. Sorry, guys. And now we're going to go in with the shade Adventurous, the one right here at the bottom next to it. And I'm going to put that on this 535 brush and put it right here in my brow bone area and use it as my shade that I normally use to set. And it's more on a deeper tone. And I'm doing this because I'm only doing these two shades. I'm not adding any more shadows. Just these two shades. And they perform well together. And the same thing on this eye. Just pack it. And then blend. So that is pretty. So now I'm going to go back in with Dapper, the shade we started with, on this same brush. And then just pat it back on my lid again, since it's fluffy. And blend my crease area again. Do the same thing for this eye. Okay. And sorry, I'm gonna make it with Adventurous, just a little bit of Adventurous. Back just pretty much on the outer portion of it and blend. Okay, so that does it for the lid shade. That was like really, really simple, quick, and to the point. And I like doing this when, like I said, I'm pressed with time, like now. And it's really, really pretty. And it's only 2 matte shades. So this is on you guys' end. This is what I came up with the 2 shadows. I'm trying to find my, sorry, that was all over the place, my white, but I cannot find it. Don't know where it is. Moving on. This is what I came up with the 2 shades out of this Profusion palette. So I'm going to clean up my eyes, apply my eyeliner. We're going to see if I'm going to apply lashes. Don't know yet because my eyes are still kind of on the iffy side with my eyelashes being a fool again. So what I'm going to do is just take you guys off camera and I'll be back with my final look. See you guys in a few. Okay, welcome back. So this is the final look. I love it. Like I said, it's a simple everyday 2 eyeshadow, easy to do. 2 to 3 minutes, place it on your eyes, and then you can do the rest of your face and head out wherever you're trying to go. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see the final look up a little bit closer. And this is how it turned out. I did not use any more eyeshadows on my lid, but I did go back into this Siennas palette and I used the shade Conquest, which is the 3rd shade here on the top row, and I just popped a little bit into my inner corner. I did not highlight my brow bone area this morning because I wanted to keep it on a matte glam look, and I really do like how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you enjoy these types of videos with 2 eyeshadows, kind of let me know, no more than 3, and I could do more looks like this that are simple, easy, get out the house tutorials to help keep it moving. So until then, I'll see you guys in my next video, and if you have not done so already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and become a part of my YouTube family. Thank you. See you guys later.